diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zone, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, guys, something new with our thing. Let us know if you like
New
it.
interface.
We might keep this here. So today we're going to talk about Komodo, KMD, price prediction. Should you buy it? What is it? So let's have a look at this. So here we have Komodo, price prediction. So if you current price now is at 61 cents. If you want at 1x, market cap is at 79 million. If you 2x, it will be $1.22. If you 10x, it will be $6.10. 20x, $12.20. 100x, $61, right? So of course the market cap for 2x will be 158 million. 10x, 792 million. 20x, 1.5 billion. And of course 100x, 7.9 billion. And guys, to 7.9 billion is slightly lower than Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is doing somewhere around 13 billion market cap. So that's just to give you some perspective.
Yeah.
So of course, the KMD social sentiment now on LunarCrush right now, Galaxy score is at 74.5 out of 100. Alt rank is in third place. Correlation is 3.9 out of 5. As you can see over the matrix, we are seeing great volume, social engagement, social dominance, contributors. The average sentiment is high, bullish sentiment, bearish sentiment is up. Even the shared links, guys, at 463, and Twitter volume. So social community is very strong for Komodo. If you are a holder of Komodo and if you see someone, a content creator creating it, do like, subscribe, and share it forward so that more people can actually learn about it and get into it. So of course, the price prediction, according to the current Komodo price prediction, the value of Komodo will drop by 1.32% and will reach about 0.59 by February 27, just 5 days from now. Now, according to their technical chart, this is on Coin Dex that we use. The sentiment is neutral because we know that the fear and greed currently is showing extreme fear. That's on the backdrop. But Komodo, of course, have garnered about 53% green days over a span of 30 days with a 5.2 price volatility for the last 30 days. Now, based on the Komodo forecast, it is predicted that it's a good time to buy Komodo. So, what is Komodo? So, Komodo basically is an open multi-chain blockchain. It offers the opportunity for projects to create their own blockchain and host their own token sales. Now, Komodo root stems from Satoshi Nakamoto, a pioneering work, and the Bitcoin protocol. It inherits the technology for both Bitcoin and Zcash. But the Komodo Smart Chain software preserves Zcash inheritance of privacy features. So Zcash technology allows the money to be moved between two private addresses without leaving any public data trail. So this is a key. It makes them very different because people will be looking at privacy, right? So that is what Komodo aims to do. So of course, Komodo is focused on providing a business-friendly blockchain solution with focus on security, scalability, interoperability, and easy adaptability. Now, I'm always skeptical a bit about interoperability because I need to really do a deep dive, especially consult Manish because he does a lot of the blockchain work to really see how much of the interoperability have they solved, because it is one of the toughest to solve. Second, of course, is scalability is also tough because you look at what's happening currently to Polygon. It's a bit slow when you do any transactions. Recently, I've been complaining about it. I was transferring to a wallet over to the exchange, and that took 24 hours, and I didn't want to pay any more money to actually speed it up. So we have to see how Komodo's fare. So if you are owner of Komodo, we have not invested in this yet, guys. So if you are invested in this, do share with us in your comment section below about how great this project and maybe that any upcoming things that is happening for Komodo. So who created Komodo coin? Now, this is a decentralized open source. It's an end-to-end blockchain and cryptocurrency platform designed for developers of any industry to complete transactions while maintaining anonymity, right? The Komodo platform was forked out of Zcash in 2014 by an anonymous group led by someone under the pseudonym JL777. So, of course, currently Komodo is ranked 444. Now, of course, in Chinese mythology, right, or myth, right, 444 means C, means die. So, I don't know if that's something significant. I do apologize, but I'm just sharing there. And current price is at 61 cents. So, of course, the total supply is at 200 million. So, it's actually it's billion. My bad, guys. I sometimes have problems counting. So it's 200 billion, right? So it's a slightly a bit smaller cap. Circulating circle is about 130 million. Market cap is 79 million. All-time high $11.54. All-time low is almost 3 cents. Current price 61 cents.
Yeah.
So cryptocurrency, of course, knows for the volatility and it can be risky, guys. So if you're planning to hold some of KMD, be sure that it will be prone to more price swings. So some of the highlights, currently this is trading on Binance. It has over 16 green days in the last 30 days, but the price has significantly dropped from its all-time high and is currently now at a discount of 61%. And it has outperformed 91% of the top 100 cryptocurrency in 1 year. It is not basically it's a risk and is currently down 96 from its all-time high. So something to take note. If you look at the potential growth of this project, then of course now it's a good time looking at the backdrop of the market. So of course, just a disclaimer, this is more for education purpose and not financial advice. Please seek professional advice before trading. So of course, guys, if you're new to this channel, you can always find us. We will come out one video every day. Let us know in the comment section below if there are a particular project or a token you want us to cover. We will do our research with our team and actually share that in the upcoming videos. We have received quite a lot of requests and we have a long list, so give us some time. It will definitely be out. And also we conduct interviews, how-tos, crypto trends, tokenomics, NFTs, blockchain, and soon some education how-tos. So that's all I have today about this coin. I'm going to hand over to Manish.
Sure. Thanks, man. So yeah, today something interesting, guys. I think we have not covered this, and since we have covered lots of Twitter accounts, but there are good community in Instagram as well. So thought to share with you guys. Let's check that out. What are the communities and the pages and Instagram account which we should follow if you are interested for the NFT space. So as we are from past 1 month, I think past couple of months, we are covering a lot of NFT related contents, and we are giving you a lots of insight about NFTs, whether it's a Ethereum, whether it's in Ethereum blockchain or a Solana blockchain. Yesterday we have covered about Doges. Upcoming will be Cardano market space, and then Avalanche NFTs also. So let's check that out. What are the NFTs Instagram account to follow, and what's the benefit you are going to get it? So let's check that out. So non-fungible tokens have seen a huge rise popularity throughout the 2021, and then it's still continuing it in 2022. So marketplace like OpenSea has a huge surge in popularity, and they are doing billions of transactions in a single day. Basically, you might be aware that OpenSea is mostly on the they are associated with mostly on Ethereum blockchains, where you have to pay a huge gas fee in order to buy the NFTs. So TikTok launched their own collections of NFT by partnering up with the top creators and prominent artists on the limited edition NFTs. So social media platforms really play a major role in terms of NFTs because it's all about community, guys. So of course, when you have interest in some projects, you should follow their pages, whether it's a Discord, whether it's a Twitter or Instagram. So social media platform like Instagram and Reddit are exploring NFT space. Even the Reddit co-founder formed a 200 million Web 3.0 fund. So finding a minting a correct NFT project is a crucial for the great investment. For that, you have to be exposed and to the right kind of information. So if you think you never want to miss the NFT train and you are a heavy Instagram users, we have some best Instagram account to follow, and probably it will give you a regular update on the NFT space. So do check that out, guys. It's a top 10 Instagram accounts which we are going to talk about. So the first one in the list is Metaverse. Metaverse Instagram has gained more than 807k followers within the 4 months of launching the Instagram page. The popularity of the account and this page is growing because the quality of content they deliver consistently. We are also on Instagram, guys. If you have not checked that out, or if you have not followed Root Zones in Instagram, do follow there. We uploads and we publish lots of reels there, short clips with lots of information and snippets there of content we post there. So do check that out. So Metaverse page is created by and Repic. Wave has already experienced a build well-crafted Instagram before, like best celebrations and culture. So if you want, probably you can check it out. I'll just give you some here. This is the Wave page. The community is really huge. And Robinson, sorry, RP Nixon. These are the page, and look at the followers, guys. It's great communities. So we're already experiencing a build well-crafted Instagram page before, like best celebrations and cultures. So Rep Nixon is the founder of Mousework, a digital product studio focused on building a creative apps, and you can find his photography NFT in the Lost City on OpenSea. So you can check that out. Their combined year of experience and expertise are in what reflect the Metaverse Instagram page. One thing that stand about Metaverse Insta page is they share tweets related to NFT by a big South in NFT space, beautiful Instagram carousel format. So they will definitely understand Web3 is a general, and if this page. The next one, we have it in our NFT. If you are an NFT space, and you should never miss out on the Insta page. So NFT Insta page is followed by more than 1 million followers. NFT page is owned by billionaire investor Mark Cuban, and who firm believer in crypto and NFT in general. He collected more than 1,000 of these in the open seas. So share valuable information, NFT, new update and education is much enough to get started in the NFT. So, NFT page, you will never miss out any information. You can follow them on all use presence Twitter.
Manish, I think you're having some connection issues. Yeah, I think Manish is having some technical issues, guys. So
are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now, but your connection is bad.
Okay. I think it was.
Yeah, maybe we'll go to the next section.
Okay. Yeah, it's for a while the network connections. Okay, let me connect back.
Sure. So I think while Manish resolve these technical issues, apologize for that. Let me just move on to the market segment. Let me just share my screen. So here, guys, we always look at the fear index. This will take some time. So the market right now is crypto winter, and this is the time where even yesterday we covered an article on Vitalik Buterin, founder of Ethereum, saying that this is the time where you find projects that they don't actually make the cut, right? If we get through this, guys, especially things like Meta Hero, Blocktopia, you can't see the screen, very blurry. You thought it was me. Okay. So Lawrence, do let us know. That's for Manish, right? How's my screen? So just let us know in the section. So yeah, when you look at some of the projects, they are going through a rough time now because of the macro backdrop. But once we get out of winter, I'm sure we will actually see a very nice run up for those tokens. I'm going to pause for a moment. Manish, you ready to take
Yeah,
over?
I'm back. I'm back.
Okay.
So you want to finish this first, and then
Yeah,
I'll
let's
continue?
go.
Okay.
Mm.
All right. So I was covering about NFT. The Instagram. The next page is NFT. So if you are on NFT space, then you should never miss this Instagram page. NFT Insta page is followed by more than 1 million followers. NFT page is owned by billionaire investor Mark Cuban, who firm believer in crypto and NFT in general. He collected more than 1,000 of NFT in OpenSeas. Is that okay now, Wayne?
Yeah.
Okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so NFT Insta share valuable information on NFT, new updates and education content around NFT that is much enough to get started in the NFT industry. So just by following the NFT Insta page, you will miss out any important informations. You can follow them on other social media as well, which is on Twitter, Discord, TikTok, Facebook, and Reddit. Their wide presence across all medium in what makes them unique. And then the third we would recommend is Gary V. Gary, CEO of Warner Media and Warner Sports, and one of the early investors in Coinbase, Venmo, and Twitter. Gary is one of the biggest influencer on a NFT and the whole. He is one of who pushed the YouTubers like Logan Paul and other into NFT space. So Gary won't share only NFT content. His content focus on entrepreneurships and business related things. Gary contents related to NFT is dope. He creator of VFriend and Gary NFT projects around meaningful intellectual property rights and extraordinary communities. So Gary made around $91 million in 90 days through a VFriend NFT projects. Amazing, guys. This is one we admire a lot, this guy. So NFT.money. This is another interesting page on Instagram. NFT is followed by more than 1 million followers. They share educations related content related to NFT and the latest news that is happening in NFT, and share cool NFT projects that are getting released before getting traction. So this is something that Root Zones also follow. The page behind NFT.money has already owned by e-commerce mentor Wealth and Riches, and their other pages are dropping out cool NFT related contents. The next one we have in our list is NFT underscore wealth. NFT underscore wealth page, our education platform from all NFT related things. NFT wealth is followed by more than 200k followers, and it is marching towards million followers by the year end. The Insta content is entirely related to metaverse, crypto, and NFT. NFT wealth share up to a date informations about NFT. So those who are interested and want to start their NFT journey, all these page are very, very important, guys. And everyone is in Instagram page, so there's something that we should follow it. And then the next one I have it, we have it in our list, is OpenSea. You might be knowing it. Is OpenSea is one of the largest marketplace of NFT. Billions and billions of transactions are happening every day. It was in the news from past couple of days for the phishing and for this phishing activities. So probably they are working out, they are doing day night research and trying to find out the culprit. So OpenSea is a place where people create, buy, share, and discover NFT. OpenSea is followed by more than 50k person, and it is growing continuously. They share about upcoming NFT projects and their Insta page, and you can access the NFT projects through their link in bio. So NFT drop news. NFT drop news are a source for your all daily NFT news. They cover about all NFT drops, metaverse, play to earn. NFT drop Insta page is followed by more than 100k followers, and every post has all specific details from when the NFT project is getting launched and how they gonna reveal the projects. The next one we have it in our list is RTFKT Studios. RTFKT Studios are a next generation sneakers and collectibles for the metaverse. RTFKT is leading studio that leverage cutting edge innovations to deliver next generation's collectibles that merge culture and gaming. Nike acquired RTFKT Studio as they never want to miss the NFT metaverse wave. RTFKT used the latest in-game engine, NFT blockchain authentications, and augmented reality combined with manufacturing expertise to create one of a kind sneaker and digital artifacts. So RTFKT Studio Insta page is followed by more than 346k followers, and you will never miss an update on the RTFKT is creating on NFT space. The next one we have it in our is superrare.co. Superrare is the future of crypto art, a market network governed by artists, collectors, and creators. Super Rare Insta page is followed by more than 312k followers, and they consistently share crypto arts that are listed on the marketplace. In each post, they have a detailed explanations what each NFT art is meant for and how much does it cost in Ethereum. These value informations are every day posted on this superrare.co Insta page. And the last one, what we have it in our list is NFT Insider. NFT Insider is yet to another Insta page related to NFT industry news and NFT release. You can follow the Insta page to stay on NFT. The Insta page is followed by more than 150k followers. One cool thing about NFT Insider is in each post they share a complete descriptions that post similar to the blog post. So the blog like descriptions help you to give you a complete picture what is happening in the NFT space. And that's all we have it for today. Yeah, and sorry for this technical glitch.
Yeah, we'll get it
Yeah.
checked after this, guys. Maybe
Yeah.
some background where we're doing some music that you see. So
Mm.
so anyway, speaking about news, if you are on Twitter, do subscribe to our Twitter account, because it's not only the live that we post, but we post certain important news that you need to know to help you make certain decisions. So that's also critical. So do check that out. So again, coming back to the market side of things, guys, we always keep track of the fear and greed index. Likewise, in the US stock market, we look at the VIX index. But for year, normally now, because we are in the bear, we only do dollar cost average between the 10 to the 15 of the fear index, and we only start to take profits from 70 onwards to 100. So that's how we have been testing this, and also did some back testing in terms of our portfolio, and we have seen very good returns, especially in the crypto space. So something to take note there. So of course, today is a bloodbath as expected. I'm actually waiting for this dip. Currently now the fear index at 20 to drop back to 10, and then we will actually use our cash reserves to continuously build our portfolio. So again, when it's down, we increase in tokens. When it's up, we see our bank accounts being full, right, in terms of cash. So
Yep.
we try not to have too much cash, mostly about 30% of the portfolio. The rest of the 70% is actually divided into two parts. We look at the metaverse, the gaming, the NFTs, and then the rest of it is in premium coins. So we're doing a lot of dollar cost average in premium coins. Now the top 10 coins, of course, today I've covered Komodo. It's number one rank on LunarCrush. For those who don't have LunarCrush, it is free. The link is in our description below. You can click that and sign up for free. Point two is, of course, Alpha Finance. We have Terra, Anchor Protocol, Tether, Terra. We have MX Token, Poly Launcher, Binance USD, and Terra USD in the top 10. So of course, we have 17,000 cryptos, 400 exchanges. Guys, we are right now, 100 billion has actually came out from the market. We are looking at about 1.6 trillion now. Of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum taking 60% of the share. Bitcoin is down by 2%, Ethereum down by 2%, BNB down by 2%, XRP down by 8%, Cardano down by 5%, Solana down by 3%, Terra Luna down slightly up by 3%, and of course BUSD make it in the top 10. So we, as you can see, money is pouring out. So naturally, some of the premium coins become affordable for you guys to actually acquire and then of course at some point of time do some trading. So if you look at the market right now, we slightly fall short of a few percent before hitting the support. Let me just grab this to just see where it's doing this. For some reason, I don't know why it does this, but I was trying to actually see. Yeah, so it's about 3%. So 3% from the floor, and you can see that right now the EMA of the 20 has actually fallen from the 140 days moving average. So that have a very enormous impact on current Bitcoin. I think right now the story, the narrative right now is the Ukraine and Russia that's having some tension. We have also upcoming talks on the CBDC for the Feds. They actually came out with their books, kind of a rule book of how CBDC is to be implemented, and these TCs came out from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT). We also have that the Evergrande that's coming up in March, and also we have interest rates that the Feds has yet to come back. So a lot of investors are holding back their money, but they can't keep their money too long in the banks because it has a decaying effect, and they need to find the best opportunity. So recently we can see prices of gold actually climbing up. Stock market of course has recovered on the SP 500. The US dollars is still trading around 92, so it's still stable there. But we saw a bounce right now in Bitcoin support at 36,000. You can actually see that we are going to hit a very high volume slightly in a few hours. This is on a 4 hours chart. You can see the volume of buyers and sellers are high, but if they break through, it will be a very nice run up to 39,000, and hopefully getting support levels back at 39,000 before trying to hit high. But the situation looks bleak, but anything in the crypto space can happen. Always remember that sell the rumors, buy the they always say buy the rumors, sell the news, right? So you got to always be in the opposite phase. Look at the narrative, come back to the charts, look at the current projects that have a great roadmap, and then when the stars are all aligned, this is where we go in. And most of the time, this would have been the best time to buy because the EMA 20 is below the 140. It is very low on the Bollinger. You can see the money flow index, the green color portion is climbing up. You can see the RSI was actually very low, trading at around 30. And you can see the volume of sellers versus traders, momentum of the MACD. You can see very large volume. This is more on very high sellers that are actually coming in. And maybe tomorrow I will actually cover to look at the short positions for Bitcoin. So because that is when sometimes you get a very nice spike in terms of the bull, because the whales will come in and liquidate the short sellers by pumping up prices or reverse, right? So it's a game of whales. The institutions doesn't really kind of manipulate the markets in some form or shape. They do, but not all often. Mostly the whales are playing, and for us retailers, of course, we are like that small fishes in the sea, right? So that's all I have, guys, today on the technical charts as well as the token. I'm going to hand over to Manish for the tweet of the day before we end today's session.
Yeah,
Manish.
so I think we have already given you the glimpse. Wayne has already told you that there are some crucial things happening from Russia side, and Russia Ministry of Finance is showdown in the country central bank over cryptocurrencies. Government officials want to soften their stance on crypto investing, but the Bank of Russia is pushing for another outright ban. So probably you can check that out in the details in the CoinMarketCap blog. Probably will get more information and insight about this, what is happening. And one more thing, which I think we have not shared from quite long time, just wanted to share with you guys. If you want to consume the informations in a written way, we have a blog post, rootzones.net, where you can log in, and all the informations related to token, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs, you will be able to get it in a written form. So hopefully those who are more into reading, probably they can enjoy this website, and they can also learn so many things. So So that's all we have it for today, and probably we'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.
Take care, guys.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make